I'd like to show how to handle 2-55. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to use the generic rectangle, and what you see in front of you right here is the generic rectangle. And we're going to use that to multiply 37 times 42. Then find the area of each part of the generic rectangle and then that total area. So if we look at this top part right here, this whole length of that big rectangle is either 37 or 42. I don't care which one you pick. Let's make it 42. Now, if that piece, that whole length is 42, these two boxes here and here are meant to break up 42 to help us with our multiplication. So what could we do? We're going to break down and have the tens place. So we'll make that 40 here, and then we're going to do the 2. Now, if you take a look at that, you can see how 40 plus 2 equals that 42. That's what our goal is, okay? And then I'll talk further about those, those things. In fact, you know what I'm going to do very quickly is I'm going to change these colors right away. I'll make that 2, okay? Then that must mean that the other one, or 37, must be this length. Okay, and then we're going to use the tens place, and we're also going to put in the ones place. That must be a 7, right? And so now what we're going to do is we have found the dimensions of 4 different rectangles. We're going to multiply those, add that all up, and find our total answer. So if we recognize that the upper left hand one right here, well, hold on. So since this is 40, the length of this is 40, and the length of this one is 40, right? All those are just the same length. I know it's not drawn to scale. If this left one is 30, then that one is 30, and this length is 30. If the top one is 2, this one is 2, and the bottom one is 2. And lastly, we can do the green one, the 7, 7, and 7. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zoom in and focus in just that rectangle, right? What is that rectangle? That rectangle is going to be, what's the area of it? It is 40 times 30, right? So what is our total area? Our total area is 1,200, or 1,200. Okay, so that's the area of this rectangle. Let's scroll down. What's the area of this rectangle? Well, its length is 40. Its width is 7. What is the total area? Total area is 280. Let's move over. Let's do this one. What is the length of that one? It is 30. What is the width of that one? It is 2, for a total length of 60. And then down here, we have a 2 by 7, 2 by 7, to give me a total area of 14. We're going to add up all of those pieces. Now, you show the work for adding all those up, but you're going to add up all those pieces. And when you add them all up, you're going to get the area of that. That area is the total, or it is also what 37 times 42 is. Okay? Let me know if you have any other questions. Good luck.